deep purple shadow to her lash line just to add some definition. So I think I might skip that step. I'm just going to go ahead and move on to mascara, and then I will be back with my face completely finished, my hair down, and I'll let you know what I think of the look and how it turned out. So I will be back soon with mascara and everything done. Alright you guys, so this is my finished eyes, and I hope the camera is looking in on them, but I really like how this turned out. Go check out Samantha's channel, or Samantha, I'm not sure what everybody calls her, but if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all soon. See ya.